Okay, today is Tuesday, July 7th, 2015, and we're looking at the Eastern Pacific. This is the National Hurricane Center map, and we've got a disturbance indicated here, which has a 90% chance of forming into a hurricane in the next 2 days. Okay, want to document this. We have some interesting stuff going on here. This is a water vapor map of the Eastern Pacific and showing this developing hurricane. And there is an interesting flash, a series of flashes that take place right in the core here. And not sure what this is. It could be laser, space-based laser attacking the core of this developing hurricane. We're not sure. But what happens after the flash is that this thing appears, this storm system appears to diminish somewhat. Based on the color chart here, we have blue over on the far right, right over here, and that is what the center of this system looks like. It's all the way over here, the bluest of the blue, and that's what that center looks like. Now, also we can see some these little lines that run sort of perpendicular to the center. These could be part of an outflow from the high pressure that's emanating outward. We don't know exactly what that is, but it looks like a pressure wave. If we go and look at the visible light mode, we can see somewhat of a pressure ring from this heating right here, right there, and over on this side. Right there, there's like shock waves. They stand out because of the velocity. They quickly emanate out from the right and the left. So if we go back again to the water vapor loop, we can see that happening. And these little lines could be the result of the high pressure shock wave moving out at such a rate that it takes the water vapor with it, and it leaves this pattern of streaks, kind of like when you drop a pebble into a lake or something. You're going to see a splash. Okay, this is like a splash from a shock. You have the center being shocked with that heat, and then we see this sort of like a splash pattern from the pressure wave leaving the area. We can actually see a little bit of a concentric ring right there on that one side, right up there, leaving the area. And then, of course, we can see the storm diminish. If we look at the color chart, it goes again from that very bright blue on the right, that royal blue. The center sort of collapses down, and the size of this thing shrinks down. This hurricane is actually traveling in a sort of a west-northwest direction, which would be right along, kind of right towards Hawaii. And that may be why this is being hit. We saw that hurricane yesterday. Well, it wasn't a hurricane. We saw a thunderstorm organizing over by Mexico, the Mexican coast, and that was hit yesterday. Now let's go look at let's go here and look at the rainbow loop once again. We see some upper level, I don't know actually if that's upper level or not, but we see some easterly flow, and we'll keep an eye on all this, and we'll do another one later.